Hello everybody, I'm Martin from CloudBlue, and today I will show you how to install the command line interface using pip. Command line interface helps to build automation scenarios like creating and managing products and reports. In our documentation portal, you will find all of the information. And in the GitHub repository, the instructions to install the tool. In this video, we will install the CLI tool using pip. It's not necessary, but I recommend create a virtual environment. Copy the instructions from the GitHub page and execute it. Once the extension is installed, we are ready to use it. Using the help command, you can see all of the options. Here you have the link to the documentation portal and the GitHub repository. Thank you very much.